Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to jack up BMW i3. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and chock the opposite wheel immediately. Locate the factory jack point on the sill near the wheel arch, and confirm the jack contact pad sits squarely on reinforced metal. Lift slowly with a rated jack, stop at a few inches to check stability, and always place jack stands before working under the vehicle. Start by loosening lug nuts a quarter to half turn while the wheel remains on the ground for safety. Position the jack so its saddle contacts the designated jack point, ensuring a flat, secure fit before lifting. Raise the vehicle slowly, pausing to confirm the chassis stays level and the jack holds steady. Once the wheel clears the ground, place jack stands under rated points and lower carefully onto them for a stable work platform. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car content. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how I think about money, and it makes a great companion to practical repairs like this. It's an easy read that pairs well with learning new skills and smarter spending. Check the description for the link and other deals, and then now let's get back to the video. Treat every lift as a controlled operation with redundancy and caution to protect yourself and the car. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Always use correctly rated jack stands placed on reinforced points. Avoid prying under plastic trim or battery enclosures, and keep hands clear of pinch zones while lowering. Wear gloves and eye protection, use wheel chocks, and double-check stability before beginning any maintenance or wheel removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.